Good evening, lovely friends. Archangel Raziel is here this evening and he wants us to find joy through spiritual growth. Be a light to others. We are getting answers through deep meditation and also prayer. Our loved ones want us to know it's time for emotional healing, and they say it's safe for you to let go of old emotional pain. By doing so, you allow your heart to mend. We are going to get an announcement that's going to bring lots of happiness, and the cow spirit says the miracles are endless. There's going to be a period of prosperity and abundance, and money is coming to you, and for some of us, a new job and career. And our spirit says, you see clearly now. Have a lovely evening, everybody. Love you all.